Okay guys, Aisha here, and I'm just going to do another video on how to make money with Rakuten, or basically how to just get cash back with Rakuten with your purchases, because I see some people don't really understand what's going on. So basically you come on here, and let's say that you shop at Walmart a lot. So we'll just click on all stores, because Walmart usually pop up. And so we'll go here, hit shop now. You got to make sure you hit the shop now button through Rakuten, so it'll like basically link towards that site. So now I'm back on Walmart. I'm on Walmart now, and I can basically just purchase anything, and I'm gonna get 6% cash back. So let's do that again. I'm gonna go back to Rakuten, and let's say that I'd like to shop at Nike or Macy's, even Bed Bath & Beyond. They have all the stores right here. How about we just do that? All the stores right here in alphabetical order. And you could just pick one. And make sure you hit shop now. You can use this on your phone. So make sure you shop through the app. Or if you're online, on the computer, desktop, come over here and hit shop now on whatever store. Amazon used to be on here. They're not on here anymore. Maybe they'll come back, but they're not on here. I know a lot of people shop through Amazon. Maybe there's another app that does cash back with Amazon, but it's not Rakuten anymore. But this is basically how you do get cash back shopping on here. And you can also do it from in stores. I forgot to even mention that. So let's say Macy's in your area. I did it right here. You can basically hit link offer, and you're gonna have you're gonna link your credit card to it. So when you go in the store and you purchase whatever in H&M, Macy's, Nordstrom, Sally's, Finish Line, whatever, when you have your credit card linked, it's going to give you the 2% cash back inside the store. So I forgot completely to show you guys you can do it in stores as well. And I haven't checked out the travels, haven't done that yet. And also when you refer people, so when people see you getting cash back, they're like, "What are you doing? Like, what's up?" You can refer them and give them your link. Let me see if I have my referral. Like this link right here, I would just put it on my Snapchat stories and show people how I'm doing it. Like, see, so far 4 people did that through my link on Snapchat or Facebook. And then once they purchase something, that's when you'll get the $20 that they're offering. And here you can go to hot deals, because sometimes they have really good deals. Look, $75, up to $75. And then another have like one on Xbox Live card. You can purchase the card and it'll give you $4 cash back. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, just put it in the comments and ask me. It's pretty self-explanatory once you get on the Rakuten site and start clicking around. And you can join through my link in the description. And I will see you guys at the top.